This video will show you how to request an event in 25 Live through the Event Creation and Editing Wizard. You can also do it through two quick start options, there are other videos for that. In this one, just click on the Event Creation and Editing tab. This will pull up the complete event wizard and you can start your request form from scratch. This allows you the most flexibility in changing days and times and looking at different groups of rooms. A red star on an item indicates an item is required and must be filled out on the event request form. The first one is the event name, where you'll put the name of your event that will show on the web. The next one is the event title, which is an optional field but allows you to be more descriptive than the event name because there are more characters in it. The last option on this page is the event type, which is required, and when you talk about what type of event you are having, you would select it here. If you make an item starred, it defaults into your starred event types and makes the process move faster. Hit next to go on to the next card. For organizations, you can type in part of or all of the organization name. You can also search by types, as we are in this example, or by categories. Custom attributes are optional, but it's a good place to put information for a user that you're requesting an event for, or someone that you might want to also know about the event. You can put in an email address, a name, also a phone number, and they will get a confirmation email as well. Now the event date and time you will set here. The request must be at least 2 business days in advance, so you can't request an event for later that same day. It has to be at least 2 business days out. So you can do a start time and an end time, and hit next. Here you must put your expected head count for your reservation. Then the last field, you can look for a location. You can type in a full or partial name. You can search by different features a room may have, capacities, or you can also use the public searches. So the features will show you technology levels, things that are requestable. Capacities are, of course, how big the room is. Public searches are general searches that are set up that show all the classrooms in the building, classrooms by technology levels, by campus, similar to how the web viewer used to be set up, so you can use this as well. For this one, I'm going to use the CTEC standard search. So this will pull up all the available CTEC standard spaces that are available during that day and time. You can see I have the hide unavailable box checked. This means that nothing that isn't available would show up. You can uncheck that and see everything, and available spaces would have a green check mark and unavailable ones would have the red triangle. So even if you left that box unchecked, 25 Live would not let you request a space that has an event in it during that day and time. And you can see here all the green check marks because we hid the unavailable options. Now you select the space you want here, and it'll default over and to the right as your selected spaces. Hit the next button to go to the last card and enter any event comments. They're optional. They go right to the space scheduler. They won't show on the web. The event state, you would enter tentative, and then you read over the terms of use policy and click I agree and finish. If you had any errors or were missing any required items, you would be notified here. If you see it saving as it is, your event request went through okay. And then finally you'll get this confirmation page where it says your event has been submitted, all requests are tentative, and they're not confirmed until you get an email confirmation from the appropriate scheduling office. You'll also get an email at this time, and you can see the reference numbers here as well. Once the scheduling office confirms it, you'll get an email confirmation.